Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is CHIKA Kelly. I have a natural remedy in this video that I'm going to show you that helps for someone that wants to achieve a fairer, clearer skin tone. What this remedy does, one of the few of the benefits is it soothes irritated skin. It helps with someone that has pigmentation on their skin. It treats skin damaged by sunburn. It helps with if you have like rashes on your skin, it will help to clear those rashes out. So basically what it does is it helps you to achieve even skin tone, and in return makes your skin to glow. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button as well to receive new videos from me. And please don't forget to share my video as well and leave your comment below if you like this video. So keep watching this video and I will show you how to prepare it.